Hey, how you doing? Today, we're going to talk about intonation. Why is this so important? When should we raise or lower our voices? What's the meaning of doing this? Let's find out. Alright, how can we use intonation the right way? We use a rising intonation to tell our listeners that we haven't finished what we are saying, and a falling intonation to show we're finishing. Let me give you some assignments so that you can understand more about this. First of all, listen to these two extracts from Anna's Maria's answer. Does the speaker's voice rise or fall on each underlined word?
You have to write the dates in a diary if you want to remember them. You might forget a lunch date or a meeting.
Anna's voice rises on diary, lunch date, and meeting because she hasn't finished what she's saying, while it falls on remember, since that is the end of her sentence. Does it make sense to you? Just imagine you're driving a car. Would you increase or decrease the speed if you're about to stop? Of course, you would reduce it. It's just that simple. Let's move on to the next assignment. Work in pairs, look at these sentences. Underline the words where the speaker voice might rise to show that they haven't finished speaking. I'm going to give you around 10 to 15 seconds to accomplish this. Have you finished? Listen and check your answers.
1.
Sometimes people forget their dentist or doctor's appointment and things like that.
2.
If a friend waits a long time for you, you should say you're sorry and pay next time you go out.
3.
People don't usually fall asleep at work unless they're very tired.
4.
A boring meeting or a long car journey can make people go to sleep.
As long as you understand the rules, it's not so difficult to handle this exercise at all. Now, take turns to read sentences 1 to 4 aloud. Don't forget to raise and lower your voice accordingly. Keep practicing like this can help you improve your speaking skills. It makes your speech easier to understand. Therefore, you're going to get a very high score. That's it for today. I hope you found this lesson informative and helpful. I see you in the upcoming video.